So I'm creating one landing page for one particular service called Laser Hair Removal Clinic Bangalore. And the name of the clinic is Orlier.in. And under Orlier.in, I'll create one subdomain. And the name of the subdomain will be Laser Hair Removal Clinic Bangalore .orlier.in. That's going to be a subdomain. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the website here. Okay. For that, what I'll do, I'll just come to Hostinger and I'll select my website name orlier.in, then I'll come down. Somewhere you'll find install another website. Already orlier.in website is there. Now I have created a subdomain, and in that subdomain I want to create one more website. Okay. So then what I'll do, I'll come here, I'll click on install. Install another website. 1 minute. Yeah, it is there. So install, why it is not coming? 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll refresh. Okay. So when I click on install, now it says install WordPress. You want to install on orlier.in? Since orlier.in is already having a WordPress website, why should I install here? Instead of that, what I'll do, I'll go to advanced. Under advanced installation path, I'll select here laser air removal clinic bangalore.orlier.in. I'll select. Here, enter subdirectory. I don't want to add any subdirectory here. Choose a database. I'm telling create a new database. Okay. Database password, automatically it will create. Okay. If you want, I can add the password also. And I'll go to next. So administration username, Indian Vara, administration password. Okay, I can add the password here. Okay, so password I added, and the installation path, the website name will be laser hair removal clinic bangalore.orlier.in. Okay, and create a new database, and database password I have given. And now what I'll do, I'll go for next. You can give the website title also here. Okay, best laser hair removal clinic Bangalore, AURILUEUR, Orlier. Clinic. Okay, and now I'll go to next. Invalid text cannot contain special character, it seems. Okay, what will do? Clear? Then I'll go to next. Now it will ask which version of WordPress you need. The latest version, 6.9.4, language English, and requirement. This is PHP version. The latest one is 8.3 only. Okay, and this and all is okay. Now what I'll do, you can see here. You can see here up to 8.5 is there. 8.3 is okay. Okay, and then install at the moment. After 3-4 months, 8.4 is good. Now the WordPress website is getting installed. Okay. Before this get installed, I have selected one beautiful design, and that design I'm going to use it for this website. And the design is, I went to Envato. In Envato, you need to have a pro version to download the designs. Okay, and it is subscription based. Per month it will charge 1,600 per month. If you are going for a year, then they'll charge you very less. And this is how you can download the themes. Okay, when it comes to WordPress designs, there are two types of designs. One is themes and one is template kits. Themes is completely built where you can just upload and you can start using all the pages ready to use. Template kit is also similar kind of a themes, but once you use that, each and every page you can download and you can customize it. So theme, every page, everything will come in one shot and it will be ready. You just have to edit. Template kit, you will have a kit, you install, and each page you have to keep installing and do the customization. Both are okay. Okay, both are okay. So now I've selected one design here. This is the design which I'm going to use. And here it will show it's a Elementor template kit. Okay. And since I have a license here, license, I can download this. Once I download this, I get a license. Okay. Now, if I want to click on license, I can click on license. And now I can click on create. See today's date 24/19/4. I can download the license. This is the license because I downloaded it. And I'll download it with under order here new web laser and I'll download here so that I can use that. Okay. And I downloaded this particular design template. Okay. Here it comes. This is how the template looks for Orlayer cleaning. Here the contact form and everything is like this. Okay. So we can customize it. I'll do that one customization now. Okay. So this is how the theme is there. Now let us see whether our wait. Yes. See, best laser hair removal clinic Bangalore. It got created. If you want to see here, I'll just refresh this. You can see. See, this is the WordPress installation. Now we are going to give a life to this particular domain for this URL. For this page, we are going to give a colorful life. How? First, what I'll do, I will log into the admin dashboard. Okay. Just a minute. To log into the admin dashboard, I'll go to WordPress admin. It's going to be like a laser hair removal clinic bangalore.com.in/wp admin. Okay, come on, go to WordPress. See, this is the WordPress dashboard. I'll come to the dashboard now. I close this. This is chat, AI chat, which will help you to do a lot of things. Okay, see, this is the admin dashboard. Now I have downloaded this design, and now this design I want to add it to this particular website. Okay, here. So for this, what I'll do, I'll come here. I'll first go to theme plugins. Okay, before I go to plugins, first what I'll do, I'll go to appearance. I'll go to themes. Here under themes, I'll click on add themes and I'll select Hello Elementor. The reason I select Hello Elementor is because I'll get the Elementor plugin. Okay, and this template kit needs Elementor plugin to be there. So what I'll do, first I'll install Hello Elementor. And then I'll activate. Okay. Now I'll install Elementor. The theme is activated and install Elementor. Okay. Now it is asked to sign into Elementor. Yes, I have an account. I will use this and I'll sign in. Indscope@gmail.com. I'll connect. It is asking install. You already have a pro subscription. Since Indscope has got a pro subscription, I don't depend on free trial, free version and all. Whatever I do with pro version because client trust us and we need to give them the best pro version. Okay, so I can click on install pro on this site. Done. Now it says, who are you building for? Myself or someone I know, my business or a client. Okay. Then what is your site about? Small, medium business, underscore, company site, blog, landing page. Small business, I'll just go. This also okay. Booking also okay. Blog also okay. And then I'll continue. How experienced are you with Elementor? I'm very comfortable with Elementor. I have a promotion. I pay yearly some $300 or $400, $450 or something. Now, how do you want to start? AI site planner, website by using website template. You want to build the website, or you can ask AI to build the website in WordPress. Either two. Then I'll tell you, I want to build blank site. Start from the scratch. I'll click on this. Done. Now, this is the page which has opened at the moment. Now, what I'll do here on the top, can you see post setting? After installing Elementor, free Elementor also you can install. Okay. If you have a Pro, then you can ask to download Pro. After installing Elementor, you see here post setting is there no? Click on post setting. Here Elementor number 7 is there no? This I will make it as home. Okay. And then here, can you see page layout? I will make this as Elementor full width. Okay. And then I will publish. Okay. Now I'm not going to do anything right now. Now what I'll do, I'll just come here, I'll click on this, I'll click on exit to WordPress. Okay. And again I'll click on this, I'll come to a WordPress dashboard. This is again a dashboard. Okay. Now in this dashboard, I'll click again on the dashboard here. Okay. Here there is something called as plugin. I'll just click on installed plugins. So right now Elementor is installed, Elementor Pro installed, but connect and activate it is asking. I'll click on connect and activate. Since I already have a account, I can connect with my account. Now it got activated. It is not compulsory that you need to have a Elementor Pro. Even with Elementor also you can continue. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll come to plugins. I'll click on install plugins. Now, right now, this all are plugins installed in our website, all because of Hostinger. All Hostinger plugins are there. Nothing wrong in that because Hostinger plugins, if it is there, if you have a hosting with Hostinger and having a Hostinger plugin in your website, means Hostinger is going to monitor your website. Okay. So now, when I click on plugins here, on the top, can you see add plugins? Click on add plugins. Okay. And now since we have clicked on add plugin, we will get the option to choose plugin. You should not choose whichever plugin you want because plugin installation also to be very careful. A lot of malware will come, especially in WordPress. So unnecessary plugins you should not install or you should not experiment. Now here, I click on add plugin. I'll search here one plugin called Envato. Why Envato? Because I have a pro version in Envato, and in Envato we can get lot of WordPress designs. So I can use those designs for my business. Okay, for my website building. See here, there is one design. I'll just open and see how this looks. See, this is also template kit. Let me see how it looks. Yes, it looks very good. Okay, see here, and here is the menu. See, different. When I go to service, how does the service look? This is how service looks. Okay. But right now I've chosen something else. I've chosen, wait, I've chosen this theme and I've downloaded also. Okay. What we'll do, we'll go for this only. Now, here, I'll type Envato because I'm downloading the template from Envato. We need to have a license. So I have gone to Invito. Once I click on Invito, you see here all this thing will come. Okay, GS portfolio for Invito, license for Invito, all these things. All this thing is not a right one. Okay, you'll find one more Invito. Let us come down. Template kit import by Invito, because we are using template kit now. So here you see how many 4 lakh plus active users are there. So I'll just click on install now. And then I'll activate. Done. See, template kit import is activated. Once I activate this, when I come to appearance or when I come to tools, here you can see template kit. After you install this plugin, activate this plugin, under tools you will find template kit. You click on this. Now, no install template for, please click here to view available premium templates or upload a new template. You can click on this and you can go to your Invito. Already I have an Invito account. Okay. So I don't want now to go here and do all the details. Okay. 1 minute. I'll just see, sign in, I'll do Indscope. Okay. So now what I'll do, if you want, I can click on this available theme. It opened. Okay. And 1 minute. From here, I can select the theme and I can install. But right now, I don't want to confuse you. Anyway, I just clicked on this. I downloaded this already. Okay. Pureva. Pureva. Pureva, whatever is there. Okay. And then I'll come here. I'll click on upload template kit. Downloaded one. I'll just click on this. And I downloaded it in earlier only. 1 minute. This is a license. 1 minute. I'll do one thing. I'll download once again. Where it is? Here it is. Here it is. I click on download and Purave Boti Clinic. I'll just download here. I download it. Okay. Now I'll come here. Here you see upload template kit file. I'll click on this and now I'll select the template. Purava. I'll select this. I'll click on open. Zoom. Now laser hair removal clinic bangalore.orlia.in, the template got imported. You see here. Now first, before I import each and every page of the template, what I'll do, I'll see here. There are 4 requirements that need installing for this template kit to work correctly. So what I'll do, I'll click on install requirement. All these things will get installed. I'll click on this. RTM form builder, RTM kit add-ons, Elementor default color scheme, Elementor default typography schemes. All this will get installed. See, all got installed. Now close it. Clear? Now, the first thing which you should do is global kit style. The colors, the font style, okay, elements, everything will get downloaded. First you click on import. It is importing. Okay, done. Now if you want to see the view template, you click on this. This is how it shows. Means it's not a template. Everything, see kit style, everything got downloaded. Okay. So now what we'll do, now we want home page to download. Okay. This is the appointment page. This is the team page. And this is the gallery page. This is the about us page. This is the pricing page. And here comes home page. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll click on import template. It is getting inputted. It will take at least 1 minute to 2 minutes to import. Each and every element will get imported. వైపుకి అలర్ట్ చేయదు. 16% imported, 19%, 21. Check, 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 check. Okay, till it get imported, I'll sing one song and you should recognize that song. Okay. Okay. Now, which song I sang, if you can recognize and let me know in my LinkedIn. Okay. You all can connect to my LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn. You go to my LinkedIn and you can type one minute. Okay. LinkedIn.com/in/goal in 365. You'll find me. Or you go to Google and type AR Nayak. You'll find me and you connect with me in LinkedIn. And then you message me, sir, in the, I've seen your video, how to build a website. There you sang one song and the song is this. If you mention that song name correctly, then what I'll do, you can go to Envito, you can select any WordPress design. Okay, for example, you like this design, you click on this and this link, you share it to me. I will download from my account, I will take the license, I'll download and I'll share it to you so that you can build your complete website with a paid theme, pro theme. You got the point, right? And then if you want pro Elementor version also, I'll give that. First you try to build and then you ask me, I'll give you. Okay, done. So now let us see, where are we? Wow, it got installed. See, view template it shows. Clear? Now remaining thing and all, I should install, but not so hurry. We'll install, no problem. Everything is in our, now the complete template is in our control. Okay, it is in our website. So now I have selected home, right? Done. Now what I'll do, I will first go to appearance. No, no, not appearance. I'll go to settings. Under settings, you will find reading. You click on reading. Under reading, you select a static page. Under static page, you select home. Okay. And once you select home, you click on save. Don't click this. If you click this, then your site won't rank in Google. Just save changes. We have created a home page, you remember? So we are selecting that. So settings saved. Now what you do? Very simple. You come to pages here. Click on this pages. Now in the pages, we have changed Elementor 7 to home, right? This is there. What you do, you edit with Elementor is there, no? You right click, open link in a new tab. It opened. Okay. Now you click on page settings and now you see Elementor full width is showing. Perfect, which we have done. Now what we are going to do, now this is a page. Now when you open this, your page will look like this, empty. Now I told you we should give a life to this, right? Okay, not wife, life. Okay, done. So here, see, there is a saying, without wife, the life is like a knife. Okay, other way also correct. With wife, the life is like a knife. Done. So now here, what you do? Can you see your folder? this folder. You click on this folder, and now you click on this template. Okay, the home page which you imported, it will show here. It will show here. You just have to click on insert. If you don't want, you close this. You know, here Envato is there. Can you see Envato? You click on this. You'll find your theme here. Click view installed kit, and then you can come down, and your home is there. You can click on insert template also. Okay, insert template also. So already we have imported, but even though I'm just showing in this angle. Till this get imported, I have one more question for you. What is that? You go to Google, type, no. This one I'll give you personally. If you want Elementor Pro for your website, in LinkedIn you say hi, I want Elementor Pro. Then what I'll do, I will ask you to write two reviews. One review for my company and one review for my another company. If you write two reviews and give 5 rating, then I will give you Elementor Pro. I will install Elementor Pro for your website and I'll give you. Okay, deal. Now let us come here. Importing 91%, 93%. Already you imported from the folder, you can insert. Yeah. See, this is how it comes. Clear? And now you click on publish. And now I'll just close. See, it came. It came. Same makika maki. Makika maki means what you know. Some people know, some people doesn't know. Makika maki means mosquito to mosquito. Means your friend is writing an exam who is brilliant and you are not brilliant. And you are behind him and you are copying him. Whatever he is writing, exactly you are copying him. Now, when he is writing the exam, one mosquito sat on his paper and your friend will hit that mosquito. Then mosquito will die with little bit of blood and it will become like a artwork. Now, since you are copying your friend, you will think that it's a diagram and you will exactly copy that mosquito art diagram and you will submit the paper. So when you copy, you should copy like that. So that is what is called as makika maki. Now you see here, this is the Elementor design, not this one. Where it is? This is the Elementor design. So header is not there, but rest and all is same. You see here? Rest and all is same. No change. Now we need to have a header. To have a header, what we should do? Again, you come here. Now this is there, done. Home page is done. And once this is done, you can close this home page. Now you come here. And now here in the Elementor, you see here in the Elementor, or you can come to, RTM also. You can go to Elementor, best. Elementor. Okay. 1 minute. Instead of Elementor, we'll see what best can be done. 1 minute. Hello theme. This is appearance. This is RTM kit. 1 minute. We'll go to Elementor only. In the Elementor, you just click here. You come here. Click on editor. You'll come here. Now here, there is something called as theme builder, website template and all. You click on theme builder. Okay. Now here you'll find header. You click on header. You click on header. Let it open. Now it will ask to choose any one header. But we don't want this header. We want this type of header. This is looking very good. We want this type of header where make appointment is out there, logo is there, it looks beautiful. And if you see in the mobile it looks very nice. Let it open. See, very nice. Okay, so let us go with this header. So what I'll do, I'll come here. Instead of selecting any header block, I'll go to template. Okay, And in the template, we have not installed anything. So for that, what we'll do, we'll close this. And can you see here this one? Click on this, click on this. Now you see somewhere header will be there. Where is the header? Ah, here header is there. You click on insert template. This is the header template. Wow, the header template got installed. And I'll click on publish. Now when you click on publish, it'll ask where do you want to display your template? Add condition. I want to display this in entire site. Save and close. Done. Okay. Now, if I open the website, which is called as orlier.in, that website which I told you, no, LASER, laser, we were working, no, yeah. Okay, see here, menus are there. Here you should have logo and all. We have not added the logo. We will add the logo. Once we add the logo will come here. Nothing to worry. Okay, so now header is ready. Logo, I'll show you how to add. And now this is the design which you got it. And here there is no contact form because we need to build the contact form. Okay, that also I'll show you how to build the contact form. Okay, everything is done now. See, beautiful, it is done. Okay, now the footer is missing here. See, in the website, this is a footer. See, when you're building the website, header, body, footer is very, very important. In every page, header is same. In every page, footer is same. Every page, only body will change. Okay, got it. So now we will add a footer. To add a footer, the same method. What I'll do, I'll come here. I'll click on Elementor, exit to WordPress. Okay. Again, I'll go click on Team Builder. Under Theme Builder, I will click on Footer here. Now here there is no template found what to create. So I'll click on Add New. Wait for some time. Okay. Now it is showing all the footer default. I can use this default and I can build the footer also, but I want the same footer what is there. So I'll close this. Okay. And down you see here footer is there. I'll click on this. I'll select this. I'll come down. Here footer is there. See, footer is there. Okay. And now I'll publish this. Now it last condition. I want this to be in every page of the site. Save and close. And now you publish. Done. Now, if you refresh the website, the footer has come. Now all these changes, everything we can do, that I will show you. See, the complete. First we have to install the theme as it is. Then all the customization we can do. So this is the part one of today's session. Okay, I have created the landing page. Okay. In the next video, I'll show you how to modify the header, how to modify the footer, because header and footer will be on all pages. Okay. Then I will work on the home page because I am going to promote, I'm going to make this page as laser hair removal clinic. So I need to change the image in a different way. Okay, I need to use the words. I need to set up the contact form here and lot more things are there. All that I should do. That I will do another recording and I'll show. That will become part 2. And then after that, extra pages, part 3, then blog, part 4, like that it will be. Clear? Okay. So till here, I have recorded at the moment. Okay.